Okay. Can I walk around with it, just not film with it?
No, you can't have a tripod. You can have your phone out, but you can't have a tripod.
What I'm saying is that if I'm training my dog,
Not here. You're not supposed to be training your dog here. So I don't know what you're trying to gauge from that, but unless you're in a circle, you're not supposed to be doing any kind of performance out on the street.
it's not a performance,
Okay, take your dog to a park.
and I'm bringing her to socialize her.
Okay,
So
does
it's
she have a rabies test?
yes.
Where are her rabies tests?
Let go. Good. Down. I don't have them with me.
Okay, you need
And you don't usually ask people that though, do you?
we're allowed to ask them.
You're allowed to ask for a
We're
rabies
allowed
shot,
to ask big questions. We're allowed
okay?
to ask if your dog is a service animal.
Which I told you she is.
What dog your service they provide.
Yes, I'm pre-diabetic.
Okay, and then the rabies test.
You're allowed to ask 2 questions. 2 questions. I've seen dogs walking up and down
Yeah,
here.
they're service animals, and we talk to all of them.
I'm also telling you the same. So if your issue is, my dog is already trained. No, I told you that I bring her out to socialize her.
About the rabies test, you have to have your rabies test in order for the dog to be
My dog has a rabies test.
but you don't have them on her.
I'm supposed to have it on me. All right, this is weird that all of you guys are surrounding me
They're a
just
contact
because of
period,
this.
You're checking with them. They're not here for you. They're here to talk to us. Okay?
I don't think that I cannot be here with my dog. You cannot tell me that I can't be physically here. Capri, come here. Down. Fuck. Good.